Hello. Right, instead of doing a podcast or a stretching thing today, I thought I'd do something on food. I've seen that probably around Shrove Tuesday and stuff, you get loads of videos for things like protein pancakes, etc. And some of them get quite complicated. So I thought I'd just chuck up my own, just because I like pancakes other than just pancake day. Okay, all you need, 3 eggs, scoop away, bowl, and a food processor. So this will probably cut my head off now, just so I can get the right angle so you can see what I'm doing. So let's change that down to there. There we go. I can just see my chin. That's nice. Okay, so it's 3 egg whites in the bowl. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to keep this pan up a little bit. What I'm finding is I get on better if I don't heat it up very much at all. So I've got it on less than half on one of the medium-sized rings on the oven with a cooker top. Okay. Second one. Third one. Try not to get in any shell. Pretty much succeeded in managing that. Right, okay, rinse my hands. Dry them off. Right. I've got this chocolate cookie whey, I think. All I need is a single scoop. My protein dynamix, it works with my protein and all the other decent ones. Right, food processor. This takes a few minutes, so I'll just pause it. Or it takes a couple of minutes anyway. It's not pausing. Pause. It's not touchscreen, Joe, you idiot. That's why it's not pausing. Right, now I've figured out my laptop isn't touchscreen. Something, in fact, I should have realised, considering I've had the thing for over a year. Just used to doing stuff on my phone. Never mind. So that's taken me probably about 90 seconds of whisking and making a lot of noise. Nice, smooth liquid. I hope you can kind of see what that's like in there. Okay, nice and smooth and bubbly. This should make 3, maybe 4. So the pan's fairly warm. Just pouring about 1/3 of the liquid in, swishing it around a little bit. Okay, in the pan, doing its thing. There we go. So there's no oil in the pan, it's a fairly decent non-stick pan I'm using. Cat's just opened the door. And again, I take a little bit longer over this. It's not high heat. It's just slowly kind of cooking everything there, as opposed to blasting it and burning it before it gets the chance to cook through it. Get a plate out. Okay. Spatula. And as you can see, it's straight off. I'm not getting the angle quite right. There you go. You can kind of see that, hopefully. There. That's just cooking on the other side. As you can see, this is my first cooking video. You can see it's thoroughly professional, which I think is important with these things. And there we have it. So I'll do another one. Oh, yep, I'll get about 3 out of this one. Obviously slightly different sized eggs. Get more or less. But that's it. So, see here. That's it. It's kind of halfway between a thin pancake and a sort of drop scone style pancake, American one. Yeah, that's good. Slightly chocolatey. Chuck honey on it. I've cooked bacon and put bacon even with the chocolate ones. I'm a bit weird. Yeah, hope that's a useful video. Cheers.